1-minute Blender tutorial. Rain. Node Wrangler on. Add a plane. Go to constraints and track to camera on the Z-axis. Make a new material. Add a color and a transparent BSDF, a map range and a noise texture. Connect with a mix shader. The map range's result goes into the mixes factor. Play around with the values. Press Ctrl T on the noise texture. Change the X and Y scale. These are my map range values for a defined 2D looking rain. Tap the Y location on the mapping node. Input hatch minus floor frame divided by 4 multiplied by 0.5.